Hearing all about climate change and its effects on the planet can seem pretty scary, but there are things that can be done to help. We can do things to lessen the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere to help keep the Earth cooler. We can use less fossil fuels, oil, coal and gas, and more renewable energy sources such as solar, wind and hydropower. We can try and reduce the amount of electricity we use and also make sure houses and buildings are insulated well. We can also eat less meat, which cuts down the need for more livestock. Walking and cycling instead of using cars where we can will also help. We can try and reduce the amount of waste put into landfill sites. Planting trees and reforesting areas will allow them to take in the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide, reducing the amount in the atmosphere too. Changes can sometimes be costly and take time, and it may mean that we have to adapt to certain aspects of climate change. For example, in low-lying areas, houses could be built on stilts to help protect them from rising water levels, or flood defences could be put in place. Boreholes could be dug to help in times of drought. We can also try and grow more crops that can cope with higher temperatures. Unfortunately, these adaptations are not always easy to put in place and can be expensive. The good news is we can all do something to help reduce the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and in turn help manage climate change.